Welcome back to Hiking with Kathleen. Today you're going to see some pretty cool footage of a fox, and I'll let that video speak for itself. But also you're going to see a hognose snake, and I'll explain a little bit about what makes hognose snakes so unique and interesting among the snake world. Join me today. Well, out at dawn in early May, I came across a red fox spying on me. It disappeared from the original post, only to resurface in a more comfortable place where the rising sun warmed its back. From where I was parked in this park-like setting, I could see a mother fox with her kit. Foxes are fairly tolerant of humans and make use of our buildings sometimes to dig under for a den. This helps to keep the less human-tolerant coyotes at bay. Coyotes would naturally kill foxes and their kits as competitors. I drove closer to see the kit, and it was very curious about its mother's whereabouts. For us, it's beautiful to be able to walk in the woods. It's peaceful, it gets our mind off things. But for nature, they're always on high alert. Wildlife that is likely to have predators. You heard the blue jays in the background, and that's their alarm call because they saw that hawk. Some hawks will eat birds, so it's a little different feel for us. We're happy to walk in nature and just listen to the sounds. They're always on the lookout. Wildlife's always on the lookout for signs of danger. That's a blue jay. That sound right there sounds like a pulley. I was trying to record a garter snake, and in walking around a bush to reposition the tripod, I saw a hognose snake. That's something that I showed you in the last video. Very interesting snake. You'll notice its pupils are round. For snakes that are poisonous, they have vertical pupils. So most snakes that we have living in Canada are harmless, or non-venomous as they're called. So this is a perfect day. The high today is supposed to hit 17 degrees Celsius, so that's perfect herptile basking weather. So anyway, that was a really cool sighting. I love snakes, and I'll tell you a little bit more about them over time. Hognose snakes have a hog-like nose for burrowing into soft soil, like sand, looking for their favorite food, which are toads. This was the garter snake I was originally trying to video. Snakes taste the air with their tongues, which is what you see both snakes doing. Interesting pathway chosen by the garter snake right over the hognose snake. But because neither one of these predates other snakes, neither one is stressed, knowing that they're going to get eaten. Hognose snakes are very cool, as you might have seen in last week's video. When they are threatened, they flatten their neck vertebrae to resemble a cobra, and they even hiss and strike. However, they don't have teeth with which to bite you. Hognose snakes have 2 fangs located far back on the roof of their mouth in order to use on toads. They use those fangs on toads because toads instinctively inflate themselves with air to become difficult to swallow.